Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past question 35. The main function of blood plasma is to A. Carry dissolved oxygen around the body, B. Fight pathogenic microorganisms, C. Form parts of blood, D. Help in production of bone marrow, and E. Transports dissolved substance. Now the blood is made up of the liquid parts, which is known as the blood plasma, and the solid parts, that's the blood cells, which include the red blood cell, the white blood cell, and the platelets. Now each of these components of the blood has their specific function. Now the blood plasma is the liquid portion of the blood. Blood plasma is the liquid portion of the blood. Its main function is to transport all dissolved substances or materials, such as nutrients, the wastes, hormones, plasma proteins, and so on. So the function of the blood plasma is basically for transport of dissolved substances in it, because it is the liquid portion of the blood. Now option A says carry dissolved oxygen around the body. Now this is the function of the red blood cell. The red blood cells are responsible for the transport of oxygen due to the presence of hemoglobin. B says fight pathogenic microorganisms. This is the function of the white blood cells. White blood cells are concerned with defense mechanism of the body. C says forms part of the blood. Yes, it's part of the blood, but that is not the main function. And D says help in production of bone marrow. No. And E says transport of dissolved substances. Yes, this is the main function of the blood plasma. Transport dissolved substances, ranging from the nutrients, the waste, and other substances. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.